Bike Blasters is presenting you 5 best motorcycles for senior riders in 2025. Riding a motorcycle isn't just about speed, it's about freedom, comfort, and enjoying every mile. And for senior riders in 2025, the right bike isn't just a choice, it's the key to keeping the wind in your hair without sacrificing safety and comfort. Today, we are counting down the 5 best motorcycles for senior riders in 2025, from number 5 all the way to the top pick. Let's ride! Number 5. Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic 114. At number 5, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic 114 is a living legend with modern comfort. This bike blends vintage styling with smooth handling, thanks to its Milwaukee 8 114 V-twin engine. The low seat height and relaxed foot placement make it perfect for senior riders who want confidence at a stoplight and comfort on the highway. Plus, the large windscreen and saddlebags make it ideal for weekend getaways without straining your back. Number 4. Honda Gold Wing DCT. Coming in at number 4 is the 2025 Honda Gold Wing DCT, the luxury cruiser of the motorcycle world. With its automatic dual-clutch transmission, you can forget about constant gear shifting and focus on the ride. Heated seats, advanced infotainment, and unmatched smoothness make long-distance riding effortless. Seniors will especially love the low center of gravity, which makes handling this big tourer surprisingly easy. Number 3. Yamaha XSR 700. At number 3, we've got the 2025 Yamaha XSR 700, a lightweight retro-style bike that's nimble, fun, and incredibly beginner-friendly. Its upright riding position, light clutch pull, and smooth 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine make it easy on the wrists, back, and knees. It's perfect for seniors who want a stylish ride for daily commutes or weekend adventures without the bulk of a heavy cruiser. Number 2. BMW R1250 RT. In second place, the 2025 BMW R1250 RT is the ultimate touring bike for those who crave performance and comfort in equal measure. With adaptive cruise control, electronically adjustable suspension, and one of the smoothest boxer engines on the market, this bike is built for long journeys. The ergonomics are spot on for reducing fatigue, and the adjustable seat ensures you can fine-tune your riding position for maximum comfort. Number 1. Triumph Bonneville T120. Taking the top spot is the 2025 Triumph Bonneville T120, a timeless classic that's as comfortable as it is beautiful. With its smooth 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, relaxed seating position, and low seat height, it offers a stress-free riding experience. It's light enough for city riding yet powerful enough for highway cruising. Seniors will appreciate its combination of style, simplicity, and reliability, making it the perfect all-rounder for 2025. There you have it, the 5 best motorcycles for senior riders in 2025. Whether you want a relaxed cruiser, a luxury tourer, or a light and agile ride, these bikes deliver comfort, safety, and joy mile after mile. Which one would you choose for your next adventure? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep the spirit of riding alive.